If you are wondering if you can connect Realme 14T to a car, then the answer is yes. We do have Android Auto that we can use in order to pair our phone with our car. And in order to do this, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in the Settings, we need to choose Connection and Sharing, and then here we have Android Auto. After that, we need to press Connect a Vehicle, and we have the instruction that shows us that we need to connect our phone to our car by using the USB cable. However, if your car supports wireless Android Auto, then of course we can choose this option, connect using wireless Android Auto. And we have additional instructions. Besides that, we can also choose connect using Bluetooth if needed, and then we can press pair a vehicle in order to go to the Bluetooth settings. And in available devices, you should be able to find your car and choose it in order to pair with your phone. If needed, there will be the refresh button after a short while that you can use in order to refresh the list of available devices in case your car doesn't appear on this list. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.